Good morning, everyone. I hope you enjoyed your day off. However, it is time to get back to work. So I want to start the day off by going over a few items that will help you be successful on your next common assessment. We're going to start off by talking about India. Why are many of the beliefs of Hinduism and Buddhism similar? Buddhism developed out of the basic beliefs of Hinduism. What are some of the differences between Hinduism and Buddhism? Let's focus on Hinduism first. There's no single founder. It is built on the caste system. The goal of a Hindu is moksha. Now let's turn our attention to Buddhism. Buddhism was founded by the Buddha or Siddhartha Gautama. Buddhists do not believe in the caste system. The spiritual goal of every Buddhist is nirvana. Buddhists believe that following the eighth path will help them reach enlightenment. This will end the cycle of suffering. What impact did the caste system have on Indian society? People were required to stay in the same caste in which they were born. For example, they were not able to live in communities with others outside their social class. What is the most likely reason for how seals came to be located in Israel and Iraq? Merchants from the Indus Valley traded with the merchants from the Middle East. Now let's focus on China. How did Confucius transform the society? Government leaders became concerned with the conditions of China's citizens. What was a major impact of written language on China? It helped to bring together their lands and people. How were China's resources distributed? China's rivers and Grand Canal played key roles in the distribution of their resources. What was a major religious belief of the ancient Chinese? The ancient Chinese believed in a life after death that was very similar to this world. To allow them to enjoy this afterlife, the rich and powerful members of China's ruling elite wished to have all of the comforts of their past life. What was the purpose of the mandate of heaven? It emphasized that the gods would support only those considered good leaders. Now let's turn our attention to Africa. What is Mansa Musa's journey to the Muslim holy city of Mecca in the 1300s evident of? Islam had a major influence on the Mali Empire. Why did Ghana's location play a significant part in improving its economic conditions as well as begin new political practices? Their location enabled the king to tax folks or require a tribute in order to travel. How did the West African kingdoms such as Mali, Ghana, and Songhai grow their economies? Hint, it allowed them to become so wealthy. They controlled the key trade routes. How do we know that religion is extremely important in ancient Ghana? Well, a large portion of the city contained mosques for Muslim prayers. Now, let's focus on Mesoamerica. How did Aztec religious ceremonies add to the power of the emperor? The emperor could order people to be killed in the ceremonies, and therefore he was feared and respected by his subjects. How did innovations such as chimeras, terracing, and improved farming techniques transform civilizations? Well, innovations increased the population growth. I have now concluded the review. Good luck, and please take your time on the assessment.